Hi everyone,
Hi.
welcome to Food Paradise. And with me here is my friend Tian Tian.
Hi, I'm Tian Tian. Oh, Cece,
Yes,
I heard you're gonna tell us a secret today.
I know. So today we're going to reveal a secret on how to make the best Chinese stir-fried chicken with cashew.
Wow, I've never cooked with cashews before. So what are the ingredients?
There you go. Okay, so here are the ingredients for Chinese stir-fried chicken with cashew. And in Chinese, we call it yao guo ji ding. 8 ounces of chicken breast, cut into cubes. 2 ounces of roasted cashew nuts. 1 green bell pepper, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 onion, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 stalk of scallions, chopped into half-inch pieces. Then we're also going to need some oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cornstarch with water, some salt, pepper, sugar, and half of an egg white. To marinate the chicken, in a bowl, mix a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of sugar, half of an egg white, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch water. The egg white and the cornstarch water will soften the chicken and make it more tender. Yep, that's it. Yes, these are the important ingredients in making restaurant quality stir-fry meat. Then combine 8 ounces of chicken cubes in the mixture with a fork or chopsticks for about 1 minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil in the bowl and marinate for about 10 minutes. Now to make the sauce, in a bowl add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, that's for the taste. Then half of a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, that's for the color. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch water, that is mixing 1/3 of a teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. The cornstarch water is going to thickening the sauce. Also add 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil is going to make the dish look more vibrant and glossy. So mix well. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add the chicken cubes over high heat and stir fry until well done. Take them out from the pan and put aside. In the same pan, add another 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 stalk of chopped scallions, 1 chopped green bell pepper, 1 chopped onion, and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Then add back the cooked chicken cubes. Then pour the sauce in the pan. Now add 2 ounces of roasted cashew nuts. Mix them well and turn off the heat. Alright, Tian Tian, dig in!
Yay! It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
Alright.
Wow.
Taste is excellent. I think this dish will go really well with rice.
That's right. I mean, I feel like, because we only marinated for about 10 minutes, right? But if you do it for 30 minutes or even longer, it's going to be even more tender and tastier.
Yes. Yes.
But the chicken is tender.
Yes, that's the best part.
Okay. So, if you're on YouTube, comment below and let us know what is your favorite chicken dish, and subscribe to our channel, comment, and give us a like. Bye.